On the evening of March 28, Redmi released the new Note 12 Turbo, along with Note 12 Turbo Harry Potter Edition and Redmi Buds 4 Harry Potter Edition. Now the Redmi Buds 4 Harry Potter Edition has come to our evaluation room. Here is a photo tour for you. Based on the round body style of Buds 4, the Redmi Buds 4 Harry Potter Edition adopts a matte dark blue and bright yellow color contrast design, which retains fashion elements without losing the solemnity of the college style. At the same time, the Hogwarts school emblem is printed on the front of the earbud charging box, and the texture is more outstanding with the color matching. The badge of the Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry on the front of the charging box, the lightning logo on the cover of the earbud, and the Harry Potter logo on the back of the charging box, etc., endow it full of magical elements. In addition, this customized version also has the lightning logo printed on the earbuds, and the Harry Potter logo on the back of the charging box, which looks great. In addition to the earbud body, the Redmi Buds 4 Harry Potter customized version also has sufficient details in terms of accessories and packaging. On the packaging, the earbuds use a black and gold color scheme, and the overall look and feel is like a jewelry box, which is quite weighty and cherished. The instruction manual is also designed with reference to the magic book, and the sense of immersion is full. It is worth mentioning that, in addition to the earbud body, the package also comes with a leather Golden Snitch protective case and Harry Potter themed stickers, full of details. Redmi Buds 4 has an intelligent active noise reduction function, supports 35 decibels active noise reduction, has 3 options of mild, balanced, and deep, and supports 2 modes of adaptive noise reduction and dual transparency noise reduction, adapting to more environments. In terms of sound quality performance, this headset uses a 10mm large-size dynamic unit, a 0.006mm ultra-thin diaphragm, supports SBC, ASCII and other mainstream audio encoding formats, and has a good sound field performance in high and low frequencies. In terms of battery life, when the noise reduction is turned off, the Buds 4 can be used for 6 hours of battery life, and the theoretical maximum battery life of the charging compartment can reach 30 hours. In addition, the headset also has functions such as MIUI quick pop-up window, in-ear monitoring, anti-lost reminder, mobile phone search, and low-latency games. The Redmi Buds 4 Harry Potter custom earbuds start at 399 yuan or $59 and will be officially launched on March 31st. The comment area is waiting for your opinion. Have a nice day and see you soon.